Awesome.
Breathe to Live is an excellent workshop.
B2L workshop was refreshing.
इस वर्कशॉप को करते समय मैं अपने आप को एग्जॉस्टेड महसूस नहीं करती हूँ।
Workshop, it's like amazing, superb.
Invigorating, relaxing, energizing.
No doubt, it was absolutely informative and an eye-opener for me.
Bread to Live is life-changing. It's a life-changing transformation. Thank you.
This program has shown me some synchronistic experiences.
Very wonderful program, well structured program.
It was an awesome, breathtaking experience.
Awesome breathing techniques.
Before attending this workshop, I used to feel numbness in my body while waking up from sleep due to lack of oxygen flow in my body. After attending this 7 days workshop and 41 days mandala sequence, I am feeling comfortable now and get rid of this numbness issue as oxygen flow is uniform throughout my body.
The change in my life is that habitual change, not only physical wellness or it's a mental wellness. And that habitual change has helped me a lot.
The biggest change that I realized was that it really helped me balance my emotions.
It has been calming and therapeutic effect on me.
I completed my 200 days of pranayams and I could get rid of the side effects of the thyroid dysfunction.
I have experienced a tremendous come down in my vertigo problem. Previously, I used to have a lot of vertigo, and now it's considerably come very low.
I feel happy, calm, and healthy while doing pranayam.
I would like to say it helped me overcome my body spasms, and the second one being it has helped me with my anger issues. After completion of 41 days of pranayama, I was able to control my anger. That was very important for me.
The biggest benefit I have found is I become more regular in exercising after losing weight.
Advantage is what I want to say that I had a problem of sleep disorders, which after doing this I'm improved a lot.
Bread to Live has brought a very big benefit to me. It has made me more patient, more healthy, more active and more concentration.
It helped me develop the correct breathing technique and enhance my lung capacity.
I always had very high pulse rate, like around 100, 90 and all. But since the time I've started doing the pranayams, I've realized that it's come down as low as 70 to 75.
The daily follow-ups from Shipra and the updates from the other breathmates brought in that sense of accountability and discipline that's so important when you're trying to set a new habit. So I really loved it.
Anyone can teach the techniques and benefits of pranayama, but no one can make you to adopt pranayama as your daily routine by giving practice. That is the uniqueness of Breath to Live.
Now every day, morning 6:30 to 7:30, 1 hour I am practicing yoga and pranayama. And that regularity and that consistency, the whole is the merit goes to Shipra Jewelry. It's true, it's real. Because that much she followed up in her course time and moreover the 41 days mandala period.
And it has been easy for a person who never know about yoga to get acquainted what is yoga.
So I feel that the 41-day mandala period ensures you that you don't give up on anything. Even if you've taken breaks, you'll still keep doing it. And about the 41-day mandala period, I have never done anything for continuous 41 days, and I did it, and I want to pat my back for that because I'm a little lazy in such things, but I did it.